In front of me is INFINIX HOT 11 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down and choose app management. Following that, click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like location or microphone. Then pick one of your apps, like Opera Mini, and pick one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, allow only while using the app, so when I go back, as you can see, Opera just gained access to my device's microphone while I'm using it. But you can always just tap on one of your apps, select See All Opera Mini permissions, and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!